On a cold winter morning, a metal park bench and a wooden one sit side by side. They're the exact same temperature. So why does the metal one feel like a block of ice when you sit on it? The secret isn't about temperature, but about how quickly the bench steals your heat. Heat is never still. It's always moving from hot to cold, using 3 distinct vehicles to travel. The first is conduction. Think of it as a particle handshake through direct contact. When you sit on the metal bench, your body's energetic particles rapidly pass their warmth to the bench's particles. Metal is a fantastic conductor because its free electrons can zip around, carrying energy away from you. Wood is an insulator, so it steals your heat much more slowly. Your nerves don't detect temperature, they detect the rate of heat loss. Rapid loss feels cold. The second vehicle is convection, the rolling loop found in fluids like air and water. It's why heaters are usually placed on the floor. The heater warms the air, which becomes less dense and rises. Cooler, denser air then sinks to take its place, creating a continuous current that warms the entire room. You can see this in action with macaroni dancing in a pot of boiling water. The third is radiation, the invisible wave that needs no particles to travel. It's how the sun's energy crosses the vacuum of space to warm your face, and how you feel the heat of a campfire from the side, traveling as infrared waves. These 3 methods all follow one simple rule. Heat flows from hot to cold, seeking a balance called thermal equilibrium. That's why a cold drink gets warm. It's gaining heat from the room. And we use this knowledge constantly. A thermos uses a vacuum to stop conduction and convection, and a silver lining to reflect radiation. Birds fluff their feathers to trap air, a superb insulator. It's the invisible physics that shapes our comfort every single day.